Introducing the Best Glass Rinser, an innovative marvel that will elevate your drinking experience to new heights. Imagine the satisfaction of sipping from crystal-clear glassware, free from the lingering residues of detergent or hard water stains. This magical device offers not just practicality, but a touch of everyday magic. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best glass rinsers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience the magic of effortless glass cleaning with the Delta Faucet Glass Rinser, crowned as the number 5 best glass rinser. Say goodbye to stubborn residue and tedious scrubbing as this innovation revolutionizes your kitchen. With powerful high-pressure water jets, it swiftly removes impurities, even from unreachable corners. Whether it's baby bottles, wine glasses, or travel cups, the Delta Glass Rinser handles it all, leaving you more time for what matters. Its sleek design seamlessly blends with any faucet, and installation is a breeze. Just pop it into an empty countertop hole, and you're good to go. What's more, the Delta Spot Shield technology ensures your glass rinser stays spotless, resisting watermarks and fingerprints. The Spot Shield stainless finish adds a touch of elegance, harmonizing beautifully with nickel or stainless steel, effortlessly adapting to any kitchen style, be it traditional, transitional, or contemporary. Elevate your kitchen game with the Delta Glass Rinser for only $80. Meet the HGN Oil-Rubbed Bronze Kitchen Sink Glass Rinser, a true game-changer for your kitchen. This elegant classical fixture not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also brings unparalleled convenience to your daily routine. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing and soaking your glassware. This glass rinser is the 4th best in its class, offering quick and efficient cleaning with a multi-angle water outlet cleaning head that tackles spray holes from all directions, saving you time and effort. From wine glasses to baby bottles and travel cups, it effortlessly rinses virtually any drinkware, making your life simpler. Installation is a breeze, serving as a DIY replacement for a soap dispenser, kitchen sprayer, or sinkhole cover. Its brushed nickel finish not only resists water spots and fingerprints, but also complements any kitchen environment perfectly. Priced at just $59, it's an affordable upgrade that will redefine your kitchen experience. Discover the JHVA Glass Rinser, a true game-changer in the world of dishwashing. This extraordinary appliance has secured its place as the number 3 best glass rinser, and once you experience its magic, you'll understand why. Crafted with love and precision, it's made from hard and corrosion-resistant zinc alloy, promising a long-lasting companion for your kitchen. The JHVA Glass Rinser is not just a practical addition, it's a savior for your precious glassware. With its high-pressure water jets, it effortlessly removes stubborn residues in seconds, reaching the unreachable corners with ease. Say goodbye to endless soaking and scrubbing. Versatility is its middle name. From baby bottles to wine glasses and travel cups, this wonder rinser handles them all. It's designed to accommodate drinkware with openings ranging from 1.18 to 4.33 inches in diameter. And all this convenience comes at an astonishingly affordable price of just $59. Introducing the Bravoo Outlet Glass Rinser, a game-changer in the world of glass cleaning. This sleek appliance has claimed the coveted title of the number 2 best glass rinser, and once you experience its advanced rotating jet technology, you'll understand why. Bid farewell to the dreaded scrubbing and soaking routine as this glass rinser comes to your rescue. 9 precision pressure nozzles are strategically positioned to enable a mesmerizing 360-degree rotation during cleaning, leaving no corner untouched. In mere seconds, it magically transforms your drinkware, ensuring a sparkling clean finish from the mouth to the bottom. Say goodbye to water accumulation headaches thanks to its clever incline design, which guarantees hassle-free drainage and prevents debris buildup. Crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel with protective silicone pads, this appliance is a true workhorse, built to withstand daily use while resisting rust and corrosion. The price is $36. Say hello to the Grandiance Glass Rinser, the undisputed champion in glass cleaning. This isn't just a rinse, it's an experience, a revelation in the world of dishwashing. Crafted with emotion and precision, the Grandiance glass rinser is a testament to heavy-duty construction, eschewing flimsy plastics for sturdy metal, ensuring it stands the test of time. Its finish seamlessly merges with your sink, a harmonious addition to your kitchen. But it's not just about looks, it's about performance. With a wide diameter, it elegantly rinses all your glassware without you having to fumble inside. From delicate wine glasses to towering latte cups, it conquers all with speed and efficiency, leaving no room for residue. The magic lies in its powerful and focused jet of water, which wastes no time. It's not just a rinse, it's a rejuvenation, allowing you to enjoy your beverages to the fullest. With its Neo-Pearl non-return check valve and flow regulator, it's eco-friendly, saving water without compromising pressure. Priced at a modest $39, it's a steal for the quality it delivers. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video. I love hearing from my viewers and getting your feedback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.